In this tutorial, you'll learn how to download an Adobe Premiere Pro trial for free in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video for more premium tools. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Adobe support. Locate the official website, helpx.adobe.com, in the search results and click on it. Once the website opens, you'll see the dashboard. Scroll down to find two options: Ask the Community and Contact Us. Click on the Contact Us or Start Now option, which will open a new window. In this window, you'll find a message box. Type in the following text: I would like to request a trial version of Adobe Premiere Pro to explore how the software works before making a purchase decision. Next, include your email address in the message. Be sure to use the email where you want to receive access details. For example, this is my account information, your email address. After typing the message, send it. Following this step, you'll be prompted to choose an option like Try or Buy a New Plan or App. Select Yes to chat with an Adobe support agent. When you're connected to the agent, paste the same message you wrote earlier. The agent will then guide you and provide access to download the Adobe Premiere Pro trial version. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily get the trial version of Adobe Premiere Pro for free.